Exploring live music. Dive into English. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, live music. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means and how to use it in everyday conversations. Let's dive in. Live music is a combination of two words, live and music. Live, this word, in this context, means something that is happening right now, in real time, and not pre-recorded. When you watch a live television show, it means the show is being broadcasted as it happens. Music. This is a collection of sounds, typically melodic, that people sing or play on instruments. So, when you put these two words together, live music refers to music that is being performed in front of an audience in real time. Live music can be found in various settings. Here are some common places. 1. Concerts. Large events where musicians perform in front of a big audience. 2. Music festivals. These are events, often spanning multiple days, featuring various artists and bands playing live music. 3. Bars and pubs. Some of these establishments have live bands or singers performing. 4. Street performances. Sometimes, musicians play their instruments or sing on the streets for passers-by to enjoy. To help you grasp the concept, let's look at how live music can be used in sentences. 1. I'm going to a live music show tonight. 2. This bar has great live music on weekends. 3. There's nothing like listening to live music under the stars at a festival. And there you have it. You now know what live music means and how to use it. Remember, it's all about music that's happening in the moment, right in front of you. We hope this video has been helpful, and we encourage you to go out and enjoy some live music when you get a chance. Happy learning!